Okay.
Oh, look at that big white fluffy cloud.
Oh, that is nice. That's pretty. Alright, there's a white pickup truck in our lane up ahead there, driving like a moron. Don't be surprised if he's in a ditch up ahead or if he's pulled over. Driving like a moron. Come flying up the center, cutting over as we pass all these wide loads, going up this crazy mountain road that won't stop. It won't stop going up. I feel like we're in Colorado again, man. This is what Colorado was like, just non-stop climb. And then on the other side, it was non-stop braking. It was amazing. We actually had cheap brake pads too at the time. And for some reason, they actually did just as good a job as the mid-grade pads I usually use. So I'm not gonna spend twice as much anymore because it's not necessary apparently. But yeah, oh my goodness. This is a true, genuine mountain road. Cooper's Rock Road. I don't know what mountain range is out here.
I don't know. I know
This one?
Poconos.
Poconos?
Yeah, but I don't know where they're at.
Isn't there out east a little bit further?
I don't know where Poconos is. I just know they're out here.
There's another one though. The Smoky, aren't the Smoky Mountains out east too? Or are those the Colorado? No, Colorado are Rockies. So where's the Smoky Mountains? I thought the Smoky Mountains were
I think
east.
they're in Tennessee, I think.
Okay.
Runaway truck ramp.
Oh yeah, those runaway truck ramps are awesome. I've always wanted to drive into one. I feel like that might be fun. Alright, so yeah, like this is when they put a runaway truck ramp in, that's a mountain. They don't put that on big hills. They put that on mountains. We are legit in the mountains. And I am legit running out of steam. Look at that. Look at the grade. 5% grade, next 2.5 miles. And speed limit 70, which is actually not smart because people are going to go faster.
I think it's for us, not for the truckers. They're usually supposed to be slower.
Yeah, but 70 miles an hour is too fast for this. It's easy to lose speed, or it's easy to lose control and go another.
So what's a runaway truck ramp?
Oh, you don't know?
Runaway trucks?
You don't know? I'll show you. Mom, don't worry. I have to speed up so the camera can see it too. Don't worry. I got you. Don't be scared.
Yeah, you got me all right.
Right here. Look on the right side of the road.
I see it.
You see that? When trucks lose their brakes, they lose control, they go up there. That little dirt road thing helps stop them, basically. Keeps them from going into traffic or whatever. The thing is, those are beneficial. They're very, very rarely used, I'm told. I subscribe to a trucker. One of my channels I subscribe to is a trucker, and it was explained that they're very rarely used, but when they are, it can be hit and miss how it goes. If it goes smoothly, the truck will stop, might be a little bit rocky, might even tip over a little bit, but or it might even flip over and be okay, but still flip. Or, and this is the more likely scenario, is it'll stop it, but it'll flip it, it'll open it, everything will spill out. It can be a really big mess to have to clean up. Not to mention having to actually tow the truck out of there. So that's what the runaway ramp was. I'm sorry, I didn't mean this to scare you. I honestly wasn't even thinking about how that would affect you. I literally just thought, oh my gosh, I need to get in front of those trucks so that you can see the ramp and so that our camera friends can see the ramp too. So yeah, that's the story of the runaway ramps. And now we're going uphill again because downhill wasn't enough. First uphill wasn't enough. Oh, gotta go up again. My gosh, Yeah, I don't think the Buick. There's no way the Buick would have handled this. Not a chance. I don't think the Buick would have made it out here, let alone handled this once it got here.
Well, I'm not sure about the Ultima.
Your car?
Yeah.
Think it would? You don't think this? You think this might hurt it a little bit?
I don't know. It's been acting goofy lately for some reason.
So have I. What are you trying to say? Hey, tanks, they so funny.
Well, see, they changed the oil and the oil filter.
Yeah.
The filter light's still on, so I asked them about it because normally when they change the oil and the oil filter, the lights go out, and not when they go out. They said, well, it could be an air filter. But that doesn't, to me, that doesn't make any sense because they've done this several times before, and the light's always going out.
Yeah.
Not that I don't believe them, it's just that, you know, as I told them when I get better situated, I'll bring it in so they can check it out.
Yeah.
Because if it does need an air filter, that might be what the problem is.
Yeah, that makes sense. Are you okay, by the way?
I'm fine.
I'm pretty sure your heart just like tripled its speed when I gassed it. Because I didn't just accelerate, I was accelerating down a very steep hill. And in hindsight, that was a really stupid thing to do. But you know, it's okay. We made it, we're safe, no one got hurt, and I have no problem admitting that I was wrong. I should not have done that. Instead, to be safe, what I should have done was braked, got behind those trucks, and stayed behind them. It would have taken longer, but if something went wrong with them, well, I'd be behind them, uphill from them, and it wouldn't be so bad. Anyway.
We'll save these trips though.
Look at the view, yo!
No, look at the clouds.
Yeah, the clouds, the trees, like, just everything is beautiful. Love this. Maple leaf. Maple leaf, it said. Something maple leaf.
They got nothing to do with shady people.
Well, I mean, they're related. They have something in common.
Yeah, maple.
Not just that.
What?
They're both businesses. They're both located in the state of Pennsylvania. Wait, are we in Pennsylvania or are we still in West Virginia?
I don't know. That's a good question.
I don't even know what state we're in anymore. I'm so lost right now.
I really don't know.
Well, I'm not lost, but I don't know what state I'm in. I don't know.
Well, according to May, because Janet said something to her, that was supposed to happen, that we went through West Virginia and then Pennsylvania, back through West Virginia, and then probably hit Pennsylvania again. Well, at least I hope so.
Man, going uphill again. Look at this mountain road, man. Mountain road, right lane closed. This guy needs to get over, and I'm gonna pass him so he can't get in front of me. That's what we call aggressive. Oh, maybe it's just the far right lane that's closed. That's all.
No, it says the 2 right lanes.
Oh, did it?
Yes.
Where?
On that sign back there that we passed.
Yeah, no, I mean, like, where's the, why?
Oh, I don't know where.
I don't see any, there's stuff over here happening. There's like,
I don't know. That's just what that sign said back there.
Well, I saw the sign. It opened up my eyes. I saw the, I don't know. Alright. Do you like hearing me sing, Mom? Hello?
What?
You like hearing me sing?
It don't matter.
It's a yes or no question. I'm not requesting, I'm asking if you like to hear it. And I'm not asking if you would like to. I'm not saying would you like to. I'm saying do you like hearing it when I sing?
It don't bother me.
Really?
No, I sing sometimes
You must
too.
have really poor taste in
And
music.
I don't care if people hear me. I don't care if I'm off key. If I want to sing a song that's on the radio, I'm going to sing.
Oh, I'm with you, sister. I'm with you. Yeah. Mom, sister, whatever. Yeah. We're going to leave that alone. So, I I guess I'm trying to remember where we're at. I don't know. I can't think right now. My brain is fried. We got 4 hours. It was nice seeing Hansel. Definitely put a huge, added a big chunk to the day, but that's fine. Totally worth it because Hansel's the bomb. What is that? Your phone's ringing. Oh yeah, I got this recording. That's okay. All right.
Yeah, it was Pat. I'll have to. He can wait.
Okay. Ooh, wood. Ooh. All right. That concludes this episode of.
Because when I think who it was and it came up, your battery, put it on battery saver. Okay. Be charged up, it'll be alright.
Okay. Hey, here's a great idea. In the comments section, fill in the blank. This concludes this episode of blank. Throw your ideas in the comments. Thank you. Appreciate it.